Okay, so over time, I found an issue where the rear and the front controllers, seem to be kind of confusing each other with motor positions. So if I spin this one, it's connected to the rear. Oh, I got it. What do I got going on here? Encoder, gotta click that. Okay, so here we go. So we got 212. It's jumping back and forth with 118 and 212. So I'll take and I'll spin the rear wheel, which that is the USB cable right now is connected to the rear axiom. And I'll spin the rear wheel, and then we get it moving around and it's jumping back and forth. It's like it's pulling, so 182 right now, move it a bit, and then it's like it moves around. And basically it seems that it's bouncing back and forth between the two positions. The 118 that keeps flashing on the screen seems like it's from the front. So now I'm going to spin the front wheel, and you can see that it moved the position too. So now it's bouncing back and forth between, and I think that's what the problem is, why it won't run as all-wheel drive, is for some reason over the CAN bus the two axioms are confusing each other with motor positions, and that's why the rear was running really funny, wouldn't calibrate. It did run the front wheels, but I think it might only run on the front, kind of, sort of, because it was the throttle is connected to the front motor. So I think it was kind of using that as the front controller. So yeah, we'll do that again. We'll look at the screen, and I'm going to spin this wheel. So spin it like that, and you can see that it moves, and it's giving me different positions, and wherever the rear motor stops at, that's my degrees. So 45 is the front, and 301 right now is the rear. But now if I go to the front and I spin it, that 45 will change to a different number. So now 301 is the rear, and 163 is the front. So what's going on is it's bouncing back and forth between the two axioms, and I think that's my problem, why it wouldn't run all-wheel drive. So I don't know if there's a setting in here. I'm going to look for it, but I'm going to post this video, and hopefully you guys can help me. Maybe there's a problem with the code or something, and I might have to double check my wiring, but I don't think that's the problem. I think it's something over CAN bus is trying to split the motor position between the two controllers, and there's got to be a way to fix that. And maybe I'll even search it on Grok too, because now we got AI that can help us a whole bunch. Anyways, I think I got it solved. I found the problem, I think, but I have to figure out the solution. I'm pretty excited for this, because first, I'll get it running all-wheel drive just with 600 phase amps on each controller, and like 200 battery amps, because that's all the zero batteries. They can do 2 to 250 at most. Just for a quick test, but at least I can do full 600 phase amps at each motor for a quick little acceleration test, and that should make it pretty peppy. And then we'll figure out how to raise the limits, and I'll start building my race battery pack. I'm pretty excited to get going on that here soon. Anyways, moving forward, finally working on it.